Hi everyone. In this video, we will solve a coin word problem. Coin meaning currency with banknotes and coins. In this case, we have banknotes. You have $185 in $5 and $10 bills. The number of $10 bills is 4 less than twice the number of $5 bills. How many of each do you have? Similar to the number problems, we will find two different equations. However, in these types of problems, we will have an amount as well as a number. We still have two unknowns. The two unknowns are the number of $5 and $10 bills. So we'll need two different variables to represent each. I'm going to go ahead and use F for $5 bills and T for $10 bills. To find the total amount, we take the number F of $5 bills and multiply it to the value of the $5 bills, which is 5. We'll do the same with T, the number of $10 bills, and multiply it to the value of the $10 bills. Then adding those together gives us the total amount, which we were told is 185, which is our first equation. This will be the same method for each of the coin word problems. We'll take the value and multiply it to the number, and then add it to the next value multiplied to the number. This will give us the total amount in each case. Now we can go ahead and translate the second sentence, which we've been doing with the number problems. So the number of $10 bills, which we've already given a variable for because we don't know how many there are, T. Then we translate the word is, which is equals, 4 less than, the phrase that switches the order, so this will be subtract 4, then twice the number of $5 bills, which we also have a variable for, which is F. So it will be 2 times or twice F. There's our second equation. We have T equals 2F minus 4. Now that we have our two equations, we can substitute this into our first equation for T because that's what T equals. So we end up with 5F plus 10, and when we substitute, we'll substitute with parentheses, and in for T, we put 2F minus 4, and this total is $185. Now we can go ahead and do the distributive property to simplify our left side of the equation. We get 5F plus 20F minus 40 equals 185. We'll combine like terms and get 25F minus 40 equals 185. Add 40 to both sides. We get 25F equals 225. We ran out of rooms, we'll come up here, and 25F equals 225. Divide both sides by 25 to isolate the variable, and we're left with F equals 9. Now we know there are 9 $5 bills. We can find how many $10 bills there are by substituting it back into one of the original equations. And since the second is already solved for T, we can go ahead and substitute into that one, and it'll speed things up just a little bit. So we get T equals 2 times 9 that we found for F, substituting it in, subtract 4. So T equals 18 minus 4. So T equals 14. This tells us that there are 14 $10 bills. So we have 9 $5 bills and 14 $10 bills. And now we're all done.